Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use your voice in Suno AI. So first of all, make sure to go to website of suno.com and make sure to log in with your account, and once logged in you can just click on this option which is below the home. Just click on create, and once you click on create, so you'll be redirected into this section, which is basically if you want to create some kind of music in your own voice or anything. So you can just select the write down the describe your song, which is basically the details, and from here you can just click on the option called audio plus RD. You can just click here and you will see two options, basically record or upload. Now that is your choice. If you have an recorded audio in your PC or anywhere you have recorded your audio, you can just select it and click on open, and it will start opening or will be added into this section, and after that you can just create it. Now let's say that you want to directly record it. Click here like agree to terms, and you can just turn it on, and after that your voice will start recording in Suno AI. And once recording done, you can just close it and click on create, select the inspiration as well. And that is a simple and easy process of how you can use your own voice in the Suno AI and create any type of music that you want to create.